Hey guys, today we'll be working on a Chevy Silverado 05. We got these seats here that are torn. So this is how it looks. We're gonna replace these two pieces. They both have cracks. Here we're just gonna stitch it back together. And this upper driver's side bolster we're gonna paint. So we're gonna paint that. We're gonna stitch that part back. We're gonna save as much as we can. So any cracks or paint fading, we're gonna paint it. On the other side, this is an LT version. There's that fading. We're gonna have a painter come in and they're gonna paint the leather and vinyl. We're gonna stitch that up. That's so much for the back, and then for the front only paint job. So here it's all good. Maybe this upper one we'll have to stitch by hand probably. Not to remove the whole top portion of the seat. So here so far so good. Just the paint job on this side bolster for the passenger side. So let's get that driver's seat out and remove both upper and bottom covers. So we removed one rear bottom cushion cover and the front driver's seat. That's all out. Now what's left is to remove this headliner. Hopefully we don't have to remove the console and the passenger seat just to remove it. But we'll have 3 pillars on each side, 1, 2, and 3. To remove center console for the front, right here, sun visors, handles. We got only one handle there, center light, and back clips. So let's get it off. So we got the headliner removed. All the pillars, the full headliner is out. Let me show you guys how it looks now. So this foam is pretty bad on the headliner. As you can see, when I rub on it, it's just dissolving from the cardboard shell. So we'll have to peel it all off and apply new. Material to it. So let's peel it off and add new top cover. There's half of the headliner peeled off. We'll get the whole thing off and get it scraped all throughout the whole cardboard shell. So it's as clean as right here. So we got one side of the headliner recovered. It's all formed to the shell. Now we're gonna flip it over here and get the other half sprayed. So we scraped the whole headliner, cleaned everything out, acetone. There we go. Just get it sprayed and laid down to the shell. So we're all done. We're gonna flip it around. Give her a last pat down. Make sure everything is all glued down. There could be bubbles for 5 to 20 days max. This is how it turned out. Bubbles can appear from 5 to 20 days. less, sometimes no bubbles at all. But from the fumes of the glue, bubbles do appear. Most of the time it appears when we have to scrape the headliner because there's no previous material on it. It's removed completely and only has cardboard, one foam backing, and material. The ones that don't bubble up are the ones that come with this being a second layer of material on it. So most of these have the original material where you don't have to scrape off. They're just damaged, so we cover it right over the top. And those have less bubble because they have double foam, double material. So you just pat it down, check everything again, make sure everything's good. After a few hours, come back and check it again, see what's happening. But this is how it looks. Got the seats done, the headliner put in, everything is patched up. This tear here is patched up as well. This side is all done. Perfect.